Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to import a Goodreads data. All right. For example, you have this data right here, like it was saved as a CSV or maybe a TXT or XLS file. Well, you can go ahead and import it to Goodreads. All right. Now to do that, the first step, go ahead and log into goodreads.com. Now, once you're in here, go ahead and go to these tabs right here at the top left. Now click on My Books. All right. Just click on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, as you can see here in the left panel, we have the option for importing and exporting. Just click on it. Now, once you're in here, under the section Import, it says here, batch uploads may take several minutes to process, depending on how large your file is. Now, let's just go ahead over to Choose File right here. All right. Just click on it. Now it will open up your device's storage. So I'm going to go ahead over to my desktop as I've saved my file on my desktop. All right. And here, as you can see, we have the Goodreads library, export May 2025. So I'm just going to click on it and make sure that it is highlighted. Now I'm going to click on Open. As you can see here, it is now listed in here. So what we're going to do is just click on Import Books. All right. Just click on it. As you can see here, it is processing. Basically, wait for it. Now, when you scroll down, we have the import results right here. 2 books were already on your shelves. We updated your ratings, reviewed, and other information where possible. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.